Hello everyone, welcome to the Financial Information channel. In this video I'm going to give you that information about the month of September and the performance in the stock market. And the reason why I made this video, because September historically has been a bad month. There's a lot of volatility. So remember, if we have a stock market pullback, that is not a reason to enter into a panic mode and think that we're going to have a stock market crash or a stock market correction. It might only represent an opportunity to get more position in one of the companies. So we have a lot of politics in the stock market, and we have the North Korea situation. And we saw that situation played off during last month. There was a lot of companies that dropped a huge amount. And then we have the situation that is escalating with China about the trade. The president wants to implement a trade with China, and that is going to affect the American economy. In addition, Congress wants to implement a new healthcare plan that might affect the economy. And we have the Hurricane Harvey, and there's another hurricane that is heading to Puerto Rico, and that hurricane is going to be named Irma. That is going to affect a little bit the economy. And in addition, we have the job reports that happen in August. But first, let me show you the graph about the stock market and how it has performed during September. And as you can see, during the last 100 years, September was the only month to be negative, with negative 1.09%. During the last 50 years, September has been negative as well, and it has been the worst month with negative 0.85%. However, during the last 20 years, September has been the third worst month of the year with negative 0.96%. Only August has been worst in the last 20 years. So as you saw in that graph, September has been one of the worst performing months in the stock market. In addition, because we're facing a lot of political challenges in the stock market, I'm going to show you in the next screen how many political situations we have faced this year. So as you see in this graph is the S&P 500. We had the French election during April. The stock market actually moved down during that month. And during May, we have the Comey firing. Comey was the FBI director. And during August, we had the North Korea situation. So the stock market actually moved down. And during the last 8 or 9 years that I've been investing, we usually have about anywhere between 3 to 4 political events that affect the stock market per year. So that is nothing out of the ordinary. However, the North Korea situation could affect a lot of investors because we have seen the gold price move up. And that is actually one of the ways that you can make money: invest into gold or have cash in your account. But now let me give you the job reports that happened in August, and at the end of the video I'm gonna give you an important point that makes the stock market move down quite a huge amount. And first, during the August report, we saw that 156,000 jobs were created. And even though the number decreased, it was still a good number. And at this moment, the unemployment rate is at 4.4%. A lot of analysts have the idea that the unemployment rate is going to go down. And those are good news, because the more people are employed, the more money that is spent in the economy. And one of the biggest points why the stock market drops is because we have the end of the quarter. And also we have a lot of mutual fund managers that sell the position on those stocks that don't perform really well in 2017. And the reason is the mutual fund managers have their fiscal year end in October. So they want to get rid of those companies that have not performed well in 2017. And that is huge, because the mutual fund managers are the ones that move the share price of a specific stock. So what I'm going to tell you is be very careful when you're investing during September, especially during the last 2 weeks. And well, that is going to be everything for the video. Please leave in the comment section below if you plan to invest into any company during September. In addition, you can subscribe to the Financial Information channel. I'm going to continue bringing videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. Have an excellent day and take care, my friends.